12345A 2004 Polaris Sportsman 600 twin with right hand front end damage. The gauge does turn on. Looks to me like it's got 833 miles on the machine. We are tearing this machine down into parts. Our phone number is 218-844-4968 to purchase parts off this machine, or you can visit us on the web at Marto's, M-A-R-T-O-S, motorsports.com. The manufacture date on the machine is 8/19 of 2003. The serial number is 4XACH59A64A056708. It does start. When we add gas to it, it's out of gas right now. Thanks for stopping by.